Hi friends, welcome to the channel. And in this video, I will tell you and show you how to delete a short video from your YouTube channel. Please friends, don't forget to put likes, write comments after watching and be sure to subscribe to this channel. So friends, let's get started. Please open YouTube on your device. And then at the bottom on the right-hand side, go to your YouTube page. Scroll down a little bit and select the option for your video. And here, in order to go to short videos, or what they call on YouTube Shorts, you'll need to click on the word Shorts right here. It's easier because if you have, like, dozens or even hundreds of videos, it can take you a long time to scroll through. To find the right video, it takes time and so on. And this way, when you go to Shorts, you can find the short video you need faster. So friends, now in order to delete such a short video, all you have to do is click on these three dots next to the video. Then select Delete at the bottom. And the last thing you need to do is confirm your action by clicking Delete again. After that, this short will be deleted from your channel. Friends, with this very quick and simple method, you can easily remove short videos from your YouTube channel. I hope this video helped you and that it was useful to you. Please friends, don't forget to put your likes, write comments, and also subscribe to our channel. See you soon.